Hi everyone, in this video I'm just going to explain about the animations and keyframes in After Effects. This is my footage I'm just placing in the composition. You can place it anywhere around the composition panel or directly into this image, or you can directly put in the timeline panel. So once you have created, I'm just going to I have just created the solid because before that I just want to explain about something about the solid because whichever is in the hierarchy is in ascending, that will be appearing in this composition panel. So now I don't want this, so I deleted the solid. So I'm just fitting the screen and up to the composition panel. So now I'm ready. So in this footage, if you see the egg will come and touch the balloon, water balloon, so it's explode. So I just want to explain, I'm gonna animate some solid um, layers into this. Instead of egg is, I'm just going to replace this egg into this balloon place. So it will be like I'll be hiding this egg, then I will be animating this from the out of screen. It's directly inside screen. It will be touching this. So before that, it's a very main thing about the transformation. Transformation is one object is going to transform to some other object or some other thing, whatever in animation. For example, circle to square, something like that. So here, why we are using anchor point? What is anchor point? If you want to see the anchor point, just create any layer. I'm just creating the solid layer here. Keep it any color if you want. So just I created this solid color. Now I'm just transforming, like scaling it. So just I'm moving now. So this the center point of this solid layer, that is called anchor point. We cannot move the anchor point with this normal selection tool. So you need to select the span tool so you can move the anchor point at anywhere in the box, within the solid layer or any other object. So now the anchor point is very important for every object, because according to that it will be we are going to animate. This one is I'm just moved it position scale like x and y axis. Then scale is you can maximize or minimize. The hyperlink, this link is if attached, that x and y will be animated. So scaling. So yeah, I can maximize from x to y axis. So if you want to unlink this x and y axis, you can do it separately. Then rotation, you can rotate it like anything, like 90-degree, 360-degree, 180-degree, or whatever you want. The rotation is very important. Also the opacity. The opacity will, if you decrease the percentage, it will be invisible. Like the object will be there, but it will be invisible. Like what we can say. This is called opacity. The shortcut is for T is for opacity, or for rotation, S for scale, P for position. So this is the transformations, very important to animate all the objects. Now I am going to just animate this. If you want, sorry, this is whatever is this is stopwatch. We can call it as stopwatch. That's the like a clock. That this left side it's in the keyframe. So I just was going to animate this one portion. So just I'm masking it now. But I'm just removing this animation, keyframes. I'm just going to select this solid layer. So See, I'm just gonna choose some colors here. That is already is fine. Okay, I'm just going to overlay. Now this is solid layer. Just I'm going to mask this. Uh, Click the Q. Q is a shortcut. So just yeah. Yes, I'm just overlaying over the egg. I'm just sizing according to the egg shape. So I'm just going to animate this egg path from out of screen to inside the screen. So I'm just keeping this now. Yeah, it's now. Just click home for shortcut. I'm just gonna move this out of screen, the solid layer. Yes, like how the egg is coming inside. So I'm just going to animate according to that. Now just in your keyboard, just press page down. It will be moving each frame. The X moving now. So once according to that position, so I will be animating that the egg path. So I'm just pressing page down now until comes here. So gonna animate this now using transformation. I'm just to animate this, I need to change the position. So I am just enabling the stopwatch. The keyframe will be enabled automatically. Then you need to move some keyframes, frames. According to that, I'm going to also see that frame also, it's getting zoomed out, zoomed in. So okay, here that's good position. So here I want to set keyframe. So I'm just clicking this. See, if you're dragging, automatically the keyframe is displayed. So I am just moving from here to here. So see, the egg is disappeared now because it's overlaid by the solid layer key with help of mask. So it's just exploded. After that, I just wanna um, disappear the solid layer. So just now I have hidden that one. So if we want to hidden, the option means we need to choose that opacity here. So I'm just clicking the stopwatch of opacity to animate this. Keyframe is already inserted. The percentage is 100%. So 100% means it will be visible. If you are decreasing the percentage, it will be going to invisible by percentage. So it will be 100 now. Sorry, you need to set 0 because it should disappear. From home, automatically it will be coming. Where it should disappear, because when you started keyframe, it should be starting point and the ending point. There will not be any single keyframe. So according here, I'm just going to hide this. I'm just setting the keyframe here. So here it's setting the 100%. I'm just setting its 100% to 0%. So if you see this now, just I'm enabling this. Just I'm gonna animate this now. Ramp preview. Press spacebar at 0. It will be playing. So see, you can see this now. Automatically you can see it's gonna hide now. See, it's good. It's hidden. So this is the way you can animate easily each and every keyframes. It's very important to take practice a lot of time. This is very simple keyframes and animation techniques, but you can use some other things also. You can move some face or any other object like that, you can create it. Yeah, now it's touching now. I'm fine with this now, so automatically disappearing. That's it. So this is the way you can um, use animations. The next thing is animating I'm just going to create another um, solid layer here. because I'm going to animate, some using transformations from one layer to one mask to another mask. So you can see the shapes. Press Q for shortcut, and I'm just choosing this ellipse tool. So once you are creating the mask, automatically it will be created the circle. It's like ellipse. So then I'm just going to create the mask for rectangle, because I'm just going to transform the circle to rectangle. It is going to move and it's going to change, transform from one object to another object. So you can see this mask path here now. Here we should animate this mask path for the circle. Click the stopwatch first. So automatically the keyframe sets in the first second, 0 second. So where you want to change, so I'm just choosing the second object, the rectangle. Here I'm just moving where I want to change, so I'm just enabling the keyframe, but each path single mask having only one keyframe, but it should be always start and end point. So what I'm going to do is also I just want to move the position. The transform is equal to, it's applicable to both mask 1 and 2. So I'm just enable the keyframe here, so automatically it will be changing. Now I'm gonna delete the mask 2 and copy the keyframe. First copy the keyframe of mask 2, copy, go to edit, click copy, because I always use copy. Ctrl C, Ctrl V sometimes will not be working properly. So I'm just pasting it now in the mask 1. So I just don't want this mask 2. You can see the circle is disappeared because the keyframes in the timeline, it's an end, it's changed this and rectangle. So I'm just going back. You can see the transformations from circle to rectangle. It's very easy and it's very funny thing to you have to play with this. Whatever the objects, it's know the tools. First thoroughly, then you will be knowing all the things how to animate easily from one shapes to different shapes. I'm just going to give the keyframe assistant. The keyframe assistant is nothing but it's like how you're starting the car. It starts and it will be sure while stopping. It may you will try to break that and it will be slowing down, right? So it will be some smooth and some jerks. So I'm just going to give this in my keyframes. So just it's called easy in, easy out. According to that you can give. Also you can see the keyframes has been changed. Before it was diamond. Now once you have changed the keyframe assistant, it's like lesser than or greater than. It's marking the keyframe assistant. So that's it. Hope this video is very helpful. Please keep on practice. Please provide your comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Please subscribe my channel www.youtube.com/techbills. Thank you. Bye.